It's the end of the month again. I've got to type up next month's financial statement. All these files on Excel. It's a mess. Where's Tom's file? What? Human error. Alright, I've got everything now. Copy and paste. Oh great, it's frozen. And I forgot to save. That's it. Hey Siri, help me.
This is what I found. You can help yourself with dbSheetClient for your work using Excel. The dbSheetClient software is powerful and state-of-the-art web technology.
Whoa, what's that?
You can integrate database and web technology with existing Excel and Access that you know and love. It provides real-time sharing, access management, automatic aggregation of data with Excel user-friendly interface while keeping your data safe in your company.
That's it!